X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Control Panel Overview. The control panel has backlighting to aid in key locations in poorly lit rooms. Additionally, any activated buttons in the trackball zone will change to a blue light. Let's divide zone to deeply explain. Soft menu buttons. Workflow zone. Section 1. Section 2. Section 3. Indicator. Below the freeze button, there are two indicators. Those are visualizing the status of sleep mode and power cable connection. In sleep mode, sleep indicator turns orange. And when the power cable is unplugged, this indicator turns orange. Power button also indicate the status. When system is on, power button is green, and in sleep, it turns orange. When the system is off and battery is charged, power button is orange. It turns off when the battery is 0%.